Hello, I'm doing this today just because I want to share my experience. I want to share knowledge, especially with women and young professionals. If you've been saving your money, trying to be responsible, doing everything right, but still feel like you're not actually getting ahead financially, then this conversation is for you. Because 2026 is not the kind of economy where saving alone will protect you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what's actually shifting in the economy right now. And more importantly, what women, young professionals, especially those in their 20s, 30s, and 40s, need to start doing differently if they want to build real wealth, halal wealth for my Muslim audience. Let's start with what's actually happening. We're entering a period where cost of living continues to rise, job security feels less stable than it used to be, and simply earning and savings is no longer enough to create long term security. And this is where many people get stuck because they're still using an old approach in a new economy. There's something I call the saver's trap. It looks responsible on the surface. You save money, avoid unnecessary spending, try to stay disciplined. But over time, your money is still sitting while everything around you is getting more expensive. So even though you're doing the right thing, you're slowly falling behind. And I would like to speak specifically to women here because this shift affects us differently. Many women take career breaks, carry more financial responsibility in the home, or were simply never taught how to build wealth beyond saving. And when you add the desire to stay within allowed boundaries, it feels like your options are even more limited. But they are not. You just haven't been shown the full strategy. The real shift happening right now is this. We're moving from an economy where saving was enough to one where structure and strategy are required, which means it's not about how much you save. It's about one, how your money is structured, where it's allocated, and thirdly, whether it's actually growing. This is where I introduce something I teach my clients, a very simple but powerful structure. Financial clarity, structured budgeting, allow wealth growth. Most people stop at number two, and that's exactly where they get stuck. So, if you're watching this and you're thinking, okay, what do I do now? I'd like you to start here. First, get clear on your numbers, not roughly, not in your head, clearly. Second, stop treating budgeting like restriction. It's direction, it's control. And thirdly, start learning how your money can grow in a halal way. Not guessing, not avoiding, but understanding it. I decided to go embark on this journey to teach my clients, on YouTube about this because I used this experience to help a lot of people around me, and it's been working. I have a book on Amazon, A Beginner's Guide to Financial Freedom. I'd like you to copy that. And I'll say this honestly, this is not something you want to delay because time plays a huge role in building wealth. The earlier you structure your finances properly, the easier everything becomes later. If you're at the point where you're thinking, I understand this, but I don't want to figure it out alone, that's exactly what I help my clients with. I work with women and young professionals one on one to map out their finances clearly, build a system that actually fits their lifestyle, and create an halal wealth strategy for them to feel confident for those that will want this type of halal wealth building. So they are no longer guessing, they are moving with clarity and intention. If you're ready for that, I left a link below where you can either download my halal wealth starter guide or apply to work with me directly. Start with whichever feels right for you. See, I'll tell you this, you do not need to panic about the economy. but you need to prepare differently. And once you have the right system in place, you realize you were never behind. You just need the right strategy. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and loved ones.